Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how we can automatically add free gifts to the cart in Woocommerce. Offering free gifts is a simple way to reward customers and increase conversions. By adding free gift products automatically, we encourage higher purchase values and boost customer satisfaction. Free gifts also help promote specific products and make shopping more enjoyable, without customers needing to add the item themselves. Let's get started. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to woocommerce.com. After that, we log into our account. When our account is ready, we go to My Stores. If we are asked to create a store or don't have one yet, we just create one. After creating the store, or if we already have it, we click on New Stores. Once we are in the dashboard of our Woocommerce WordPress site, we go to the Plugins section. We need to install a gift plugin to help us add a free gift to our site. To add a plugin in WordPress, we need a premium account. Since we don't have a premium account, we will simply show how to add plugins. We move the mouse to Plugins and select Free Gifts. Now, we choose the Give It plugin by Woocommerce because it is supported by Woocommerce. If we have a premium account, we will see the Install button. We click Install, and after it installs, wait a few seconds. Then, we will see the Activate button. We click Activate. Once activated, the gift plugin will appear in our dashboard. Now we can see it there. For example, here is an image of a dashboard with a plugin that is already activated. We can see that the gift plugin is now on our dashboard. We just click it. Now we configure the settings, like gift product quantities, and allowing gifts only to logged-in users. We set these settings as we prefer. There are 3 gift rules: the product rule, the category rule, and the cart price rule. We choose the one that fits how we want to give the gift. After that, we click Save Changes. That's how we add free gift products automatically to WooCommerce carts. Once set up, our store will deliver a better customer experience and increase sales with smart promotions.